They call it the Last Toll Booth, a tiny rusted structure on a forgotten road in southern New Jersey. Locals whisper about it, truckers refuse to speak of it, and no GPS has ever marked its location. The legend began in the late 1970s, when a young man named Charles Dempsey vanished on his way home from Atlantic City. His last phone call, "I just passed some weird toll booth. Looks like it's from the 50s. He was never seen again. Since then, dozens have reported eerie encounters. Headlights flickering, radio static screaming, clocks resetting to 3:33 a.m. Most disturbing of all? People say the toll booth operator, always the same man in a faded blue uniform, ever asks for money. He simply stares at you, nods once, and waves you through. But if you hesitate, the light above you turns red, and then the road behind you disappears. A curious travel blogger named Emma decides to chase the story, dismissing it as small-town myth. She sets off with a camera, a full tank, and a skeptic's heart. But when she crosses the bridge into the Pine Barrens and sees a flickering sign that reads "Toll